Cue the digital symphony. Think of root dampening as the maestro, keeping the orchestra of networks in tune. It's a technique used in routers to suppress excessive root advertisements. Too many updates can cause a network to become unstable, a situation no one wants. Imagine a seesaw balanced perfectly. This is your network operating normally. Now add a little weight to one side. This is a root update. A few updates are manageable. The seesaw tilts but quickly balances out. However, constant updates, the seesaw tips over, causing chaos in the network playground. Root dampening steps in as the playground monitor, suppressing these overactive roots to maintain balance. It's like a digital timeout, allowing the network to stabilize before allowing the root back into play. So next time you're navigating the digital playground, remember the importance of root dampening. It's the silent guardian, keeping your network seesaw perfectly balanced. For more intriguing insights, visit www.batternetworks.com. Stay curious and keep exploring.
Don't miss out. Smash that subscribe button and hit like to keep up with our awesome content.